What's up, Blademon13 here from PCG, and welcome back to another product review. So today's theme, as always, is gaming on a budget. We have a brand new USB condenser microphone. We're going to review it. I hope this is useful to anybody that is gaming on a budget. Let's go over to the unboxing. Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to the unboxing of my new USB microphone, condenser microphone to be precise. So yeah, I've been recently looking to upgrade my microphone setup. I just purchased something similar to this, but it was a 3.5mm jack input, and I was getting wild static feedback from it, so I decided to scrap that and try the USB version. So I just purchased this from Amazon from a company called Yanmei. This cost a little over £30 English sterling. And yeah, it's just arrived today, so we'll open it up here and see what's like inside. So as you can see, it comes in a really nice box, very professional, well presented. We've got our little instruction manual here. Nice box, well protected. So I've just taken her out of the box there, and as you can see, it is very well presented. It is made from good strong material, plastics and metal, and it goes together with a nice little tripod. So far so good. Well presented. It looks sturdy. It looks made of good quality. Let's hope the sound is good. We're going to plug it in, we're going to test it, and we're going to do a little quick review. So hopefully we'll get her set up here, we'll get her in position, and we'll get some good sound from it. Anyway, thanks for watching. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that little unboxing. I always like to do the unboxing videos, that's the most funnest part. So, brand new gaming microphone. I upgraded, got myself a wee condenser microphone. As you can see in the photos there, she comes with a little stand that's fully adjustable. It has a lovely little holster there for the microphone, and you have this little sneeze guard, which is awesome. So this microphone is made by a company called Yanmei, and the name of the microphone is the Kungber USB Microphone. Now you can purchase this microphone on Amazon for £30 sterling, or I'm not sure what that is in dollars or euros, but I will post the link to the Amazon store that is selling it. So it is, as you can see, it's perfect and has a small stand, so it's good for desks, for computer and gaming and making YouTube videos. But it's also perfect for podcasts, streaming, conference, interviews, even small recordings, voiceovers. Fantastic. Sound quality is awesome. It's a condenser microphone with a 16-bit 48GHz sampling rate, so it's very smooth, it picks up sound excellent. It's plug and play, and yeah, you can set up with your OBS, you can add little filters, really get a professional sound. It has a 16mm membrane, intercepts high frequencies and delivers a full and warm sound. Cardioid unidirectional characteristics, minimise background noise and isolate the main sound source. It can capture a rich and powerful sound from sources directly in front of the microphone. It is really good and really high quality. So plug and play, no drivers required. The microphone is compatible with all operating systems. You just have to plug it in and play. The microphone should start recording. If there is no response after inserting the microphone, I suggest go to your computer's microphone settings and select the microphone as the input device. The multi-function folding tripod which comes with this, it's a table stand and shock absorbing rack, adjustable distance between the microphone and the filter. So as you can see, it has this little holster that holds the microphone itself, which is supported by these wires, should you say, which makes it very secure and absorbs any kind of movement, and it's great for picking up sound quality. The little stand, the legs are adjustable for height, and the base for the microphone holster is, it can swivel on the legs themselves. Of course, it comes with the little spit guard, as I would call it. It's fully adjustable. You can take off the muffler at the front here as well. So it's ultra compact design for maximum portability, very convenient and very practical. The The tripod can be unscrewed also and attached to a scissor arm. If you have a scissor arm, you can unscrew the microphone. So Kungber offer a 12 months service warranty, which means if you come into any problems with your microphone and you contact them, they will either send you out a new one or you can send it to them for repairs, which is really, really helpful and really good to know. So far, no problems. I have been using this microphone for a little over 2 weeks and I'm very impressed, Easy to set up. Sound quality is excellent. It looks fantastic, sleek, robust, and obviously it came in like a silver color, but I opted for black because my table's black. So I think it's beautiful. And the sound quality, well, you can be the judge of that. So the Kungber USB microphone, made by a company called Yanmei. They are an Amazon company. I will post the link to the Amazon store that's selling it. If any of you guys are interested, you pay around £30 sterling, which once again, I'm not sure what that is in dollars or euros. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this review. It was short and sweet, didn't want to get into too much detail. If you're gaming on a budget, this microphone is definitely worth a thought when purchasing your new microphone. Thank you all folks for watching. Thank you all for your support. As you know, we are racing towards 1,000 subscribers and we have already surpassed 900, which is really awesome. Absolutely epic support. Once again, I hope this video is useful for you. Thank you all for watching. Stay safe, take care of yourselves, and I'll see you all in the next one.